foods that turn toxic when you refrigerate it. Number 1. Garlic. Never buy peeled garlic and refrigerate it, as it starts catching mold very quickly. Garlic mold has actually been linked with cancer. Always buy fresh garlic with a peel. Number 2. Onions. Onion is a crop that is resistant to low temperatures. When you refrigerate it, it starts converting into sugar and begins catching mold. Many people make the mistake of cutting half an onion, using it, and keeping the other half in the fridge. Never do that. Number 3. Ginger. It starts catching mold very quickly when you refrigerate it, and this has been linked with kidney and liver failures.